$100. These are normally $100. They go for basic Cortez, man, $30. See, their sale prices are just crazy, man. See, look at the prices here are great. Dude, look at this. $40 for the racers. Got the Grand Hill lows, 9.5 for $30. Ultra Boost for kids, $50. Normally $159. But yeah, $70, man. Size 7s. Not bad. Not bad. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, so yeah, we're actually on our way to a Nike outlet, but there's a warehouse shoe sales, and they actually open before the Nike outlet because it's before 10 and the Nike outlet's not open. And I kind of rediscovered warehouse shoe sale, which is kind of a regional. I thought it was a mom and pop store, but they actually have them across there's mostly in California, but they actually do have a couple in Texas, Arizona, Nevada. But yeah, man, they got some crazy deals, you guys. They had crazy deals. Their prices they're like kind of like Shoe Palace, where they're more regional. So they put stuff on sale really quick. And yeah, I was really surprised. So yeah, we're gonna check out a warehouse shoe sale, you guys. Let's go check it out. So there are a bunch of these warehouse shoe sales. We are in the East LA location. Let's go check it out. All right, you guys know we got to go check out the Jordan section first. You guys know. All right, the selection's not any better than that other one. It's actually not as good, but the prices, yo, look at this. $120 for the Laker 13s. Air Jordan 13 Lakers colorway going for $120. Look at that. And then they got several sizes. 8.5, 8.5, 10.5, 11, and 12. So, yeah, so I guess they do throw them on sale whenever their stock gets a little bit low and they don't have a full size run. They just clearance them out, I guess. Yeah, that's crazy. I got the six rings, the gray colorway. Not bad. Not bad. Got a little fluffy stuff right there. That's kind of interesting. But the rest of it's not terrible. Kind of like a mixture of the 11s and 13s. You got that. It's like the 13s, and obviously the upper. Everything else is kind of like the 11s. Okay, they're not terrible looking. They're not. The Proto Max 720s. These are pretty much on sale everywhere. These are going for $150. Not bad. We're just gonna run through the Team Jordans real quick. Not a terrible selection. Not a terrible selection. They do have a pretty good selection of the 270s as well as a bunch of Air Max. They're all pretty much going for retail, so I'm not gonna sit there and go through all of them unless I see a colorway that I've never seen before. These go for $109. 270s went for $150. These are all $109, you guys. $109. Nothing crazy. These Hirachis all go for $100 at the end. They got two of the Jordan mids, pretty much the same as the ones at the last one that I went to. Both, that one's going for $119. That one's going for $119. This one's going for $110. Not bad. Both do look clean. Both do look clean. I got the Cortez. I've heard people call this the Forrest Gump edition. Going for $60. Not bad. So have quite a few sizes left. They got the all black ones. So LA one. Yep, LA one go for $60. We've seen that at the outlet. We've seen these for cheaper at the outlet, but that's still a solid price because I think normally they go for $80-$90. All right, this video is going to be a little bit shorter, so I might have to add on to this one. Maybe I wanted to hit up a Shoe Palace, the little Tokyo one, because that is the best location. But yeah, the selection here is not as good as the one of Van Nuys. I'm not gonna lie, it's not as big and selection's not as bad. Look at these old school Filas. I remember these designs from, I don't know when. Probably when I was in high school or something. I do remember. Yeah, I guess they're called the MB Phase. Yeah, $40. $40. Probably go for like $100 normally. Yeah, we got the 96 lows. Did these come out before the Grand Hills? Why don't they just call them the Grand Hills? He does have a lifetime contract with you guys. $100. These are normally They going for, they're normal $110, going for $30, man. For 30 bucks, I did think about whether I should get these. All right, they got the maroon basic Cortez, man, 30 bucks. See, their sale prices are just crazy, man. And they do go on sale like a lot quicker than the other shoe retails. So that is kind of crazy. See, look at the prices here. Are great, dude. Look at this. 40 bucks for the racers. We've seen these at the outlets for way more than that. Yeah, it's cheaper than the outlets. All right, they do got some dope Skechers. I don't even mean to laugh, but 20 bucks, man, dude. Look at this. These are comfortable as hell. You won't ever see me rock these, maybe because I'm too, I don't know, I'm too self-conscious or something. But yeah, 20 bucks, dude. That's what's up. Size 10 and a half. That is what's up. They got multiple pair too. Puma Suede Classics going for 40 bucks. That's not bad. Originally $765. I don't know who would pay that much. Okay, I actually noticed the top book. They actually have some more. They got the Grand Hill Lows 9.5 for 30 bucks. That's a deal. They got those in size 10, the Grant Hills. Grant Hill Lows, 30 bucks, man. They normally go for 100. 110 apparently, not bad. All right, I'm looking around, didn't see much else in the men's section. We're checking out the kids, you guys, checking out the kids. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Some lasers, man, damn. Laser 4s, Jordan Laser 4s. I did pick these up. I already picked these up, but for kids, look at that. 70 bucks. 70 bucks, you guys, that is amazing. Amazing, you guys know they etched on all that crazy stuff. I have no clue what's actually on there. Some sneakers, some numbers, Jordan signs. I don't really notice what's on there. Is that an Audi sign right there? What the hell? That's kind of weird. But yeah, 70 bucks, man. Size 7s. Not bad. Not bad. Just FYI, that is too big for my little guy. I would get that, but too big for my little guy. And I'm not the type to save shoes for like 3 years, so yeah, we're gonna let that go. Crazy deal. 4.5. Look at these Ultra Boost, $50. Damn, I know these retail for way higher. Holy crap! Look at that. Ultra Boost for kids, 50 bucks. Normally 159. It's $110 off. That's insane, you guys. That's insane. All right, so these ain't bad. Superstars, 50 bucks. You all know Superstars are super expensive. That's about it for the kids. Look, for the women's section, look, they only got this one little section and this section for the women, man. They ain't got no love for the women's shoes here, dang. All right, I was about to leave. Look at the kids section, you guys. Look at this for the kids section. That is nuts. That's nuts. 110, dude. That's, wow. I know those didn't sell up for the kids, but still. 3.5 all the way to 6s. Oh, 3.5 all the way to 7s. Damn. So if any of you women have small, not even small feet, because a size 7 is 8.5 in women's. Dang, get that for 110 bucks. That's insane, you guys. And look what's right next door. These being on sale isn't as surprising, but still not bad. Not bad, you guys. They got a bunch of those, bunch of sizes on those. So in the kids section, they primarily got a lot of Team Jordans right there. Oh no, these are some mids with the. Is that satin material? Oh, no. Yeah, those are going for 100 bucks. Got a few sizes. Another pair of mids. I don't know why they didn't put them all together. Another pair of mids going for 90 bucks. 90 bucks for these. And then 90 bucks for these. Yeah, so this, I think, are those the regular? Yeah, those are all the retail prices for those, so not bad. And then more Team Jordans and everything else is regular price. Not bad. Pretty clean colorway. Not bad, you guys. Okay, that is the Warehouse shoe store out on East LA. Yeah, not as nice as the Van Nuys location, but they still have some decent stuff. Yeah, I don't know if I got enough footage. I try to make all my videos like 10 to 15 minutes long. So yeah, probably gonna go check out a shoe palace. The one in Little Tokyo is my favorite. So I might add that one in here. I might not. We'll see. All right, we're checking out a resale shop. Never done that before. Riff, LA, downtown Los Angeles. Let's check it out. Wow, they got all kinds of heat. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Okay, prices ain't terrible. Look at that. It's not too bad. I haven't looked at the prices, but yeah, not bad. Well, we are waiting for this. November. Not bad. 425. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for right here. 350. That's not even bad. This is what I'm trying to get right here. That's what I'm trying to get. The cap and gown 11th. That's what I'm waiting for right there. Bam. I have a bid on StockX right now. I don't know. Maybe I might have to come in. It is cheaper on StockX. Oh, yeah. Brand new with box. 350. Alright, I was saying some of their prices weren't too bad, but yeah, that's nuts. That's nuts for the cool guys. They're not even sold out at a lot of places. That's nuts. Got the Levi 4s. Okay, 875. I know those are rare. It's hard to find. I know that. And they got a few pair. They even got the white ones. I haven't even seen these white ones. I've never seen those white ones. That's crazy. You know, everybody goes after these off-whites. 1800, you know, everybody loves those. The altitude greens, 13 altitude greens, 225. Hey, look at that. Not bad. These are the breads. Oh, these are the lows. 350. Not bad. That one's not bad. The original Ferraris. 3.25, not bad. That's actually not that bad. Okay. Got the Gatorade 6s. 150 Gatorade 6s. You guys know it naturally yellows like that. There's really nothing you can do. If you're a shoe collector, yeah, there's absolutely nothing you can do. Most of you guys know that, I'm sure. 175. Brand new with box. Dang, 175 for some Gatorade 6s. Not bad. Travis Scott 4s. One of my favorite 4s. 900. Dang. And these dropped down to like 500. When they first came down, they were selling for 500 on StockX. I so wish I bought one. They jumped up to 1,500 within 2-3 weeks. Dang. Alright, I was saying some of their prices weren't too bad, but yeah, that's nuts. That's nuts for the cool guys. They're not even sold out at a lot of places. That's nuts. Got the Levi 4s. Okay, 875. I know those are rare. It's hard to find. I know that. And they got a few pair. They even got the white ones. I haven't even seen these white ones. I've never seen those white ones. That's crazy. You know, everybody goes after these off-whites. 1800, you know, everybody loves those. The altitude greens, 13 altitude greens, 225. Hey, look at that. Not bad. These are the breads. Oh, these are the lows. 350. Not bad. That one's not bad. The original Ferraris. 3.25, not bad. That's actually not that bad. Okay. Got the Gatorade 6s. 150 Gatorade 6s. You guys know it naturally yellows like that. There's really nothing you can do. If you're a shoe collector, yeah, there's absolutely nothing you can do. Most of you guys know that, I'm sure. 175. Brand new with box. Dang, 175 for some Gatorade 6s. Not bad. Travis Scott 4s. One of my favorite 4s. 900. Dang. And And these dropped down to like 500. When they first came down, they were selling for 500 on StockX. I so wish I bought one. They jumped up to 1,500 within 2-3 weeks. Dang. Jordan 3 Flyknits? Dang. This looks hella comfortable. Looks hella comfortable. Going for what, 400? Not bad. We are in LA, so these are the unions. 1,500. The unions. One of my boys at work wears this all the time. I'm like, damn fool. Stop sweating so much. Got the other unions, right? It's two different pair of unions came out. 14, now it's 15, this is 14. All right, they do got a couple budget options. Look at this, 100 for the 29s. These are the 29s with the biggest Jumpman logo ever on any Jordan. Got a couple, and then the why nots, $150. Do have a couple budget options, not bad. Not bad. Some of these ain't bad. Look, Cactus Jack, got the Cactus Jack 33s. $275, not bad. Right. Got the Kobe PEs, the Jordan 9 Kobe PEs. We actually saw these at a store. $175. We actually saw these at a store, but they're going for retail there too. It was about the same price as here. Yeah, I gotta check these because they're still the ones I'm wearing. Jordan 4s. Oh, apparently they don't got a price. Let's check this out. $340. Okay. Brand new with box. Nice. Some of you guys like the Supremes. I think most people like Supremes. $1,400. Man, the Supreme up tempos. Dang. Got the gold ones as well. $350. Look, used for $350. Why wouldn't you clean the bottom if you guys are selling them used? I never understood that. Got the Dunks. Bosco, if you're looking, look. See, you saw these at Slauson. These go for $700. Look at that. You saw these at Slauson, Bosco. If you're watching. This came out a few months ago, right? Oh, they got some resale value. Didn't know. All right, that was Riff LA. They got all kinds of heat there, and some of the stuff. I'm gonna be honest. I don't really know why anybody goes to the resale shops. I was talking to someone about that earlier because you can get them at StockX, and I'm assuming the verification's not that different from Riff LA, or from resale shops, but some of the stuff wasn't too bad. They did have sneakers there for under $150 if you guys, want to get stuff that's hard to find, So yeah, they're definitely out there. If you guys like these type of videos, make sure you go ahead, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what's coming up. Because I do post videos almost every day. During the weekdays, I do post stuff at 9 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, and I do post stuff at 6 in the morning on the weekends. I post almost every day to make sure you guys are entertained and make sure you guys are informed about all the deals that are out there. So yeah, make sure you go ahead and check out my videos, you guys. Till the next one, peace.